This Lattice guide provides a step-by-step process for connecting an AI model to Lattice via a custom API, making it essential for users looking to integrate AI capabilities into their applications. It simplifies the connection process, ensuring that even those with minimal technical expertise can successfully set up their AI models. By following this guide, users can enhance their data analysis and prediction capabilities. Navigate to data sources in Lattice. Click Connect Source. Next, click AI Models. Then, click Connect to Custom API Endpoints for AI model inference and predictions. Then, click the API name field and give the AI model connection a name. For this demo, the name is Demo Customer Churn AI Model. In the description field, give the AI model connection a description. For this demo, the description is Demo on how to connect an AI model to Lattice through the API AI model source. After entering the description, move down and click the API base URL field and input the full endpoint URL for API requests for your AI model connection. Then click HTTP method top-down and select either POST or GET. Next, click Authentication Method and choose the required authentication for your AI model, if any. For the input schema definition, you can either add fields individually or use the JSON option. For this demo, we will input the JSON string by clicking Show JSON. Then, scrolling down to the output schema definition, click the Output Schema JSON field and provide the JSON string, which will add the required input fields. You'll notice Lattice has identified a number of fields from the string. Click the Tags field to add tags. This helps users identify what the data source contains. You can add as many tags as needed to help with the identification. Then, at the bottom of the page on the left, click Test Connection. Once connection is confirmed and working, click on Connect Model on the right side to add the data source to Lattice. Once the data source is connected, you'll be navigated back to the data source homepage, where you will see your newly connected data source. To watch further demo videos, subscribe to this channel, or to learn more about Lattice, go to www.lattice.com.